Loli, off to a slow start. Ellie, off to a slow start. Oh, Loli is going slow. Oh, and Ellie's leading. Ellie's.
Loli.
We got a problem. Oh, Ellie's not done. Yeah.
Loli's not much for racing.
Well, you need to lose a little weight.
Loli coming to the finish line.
Not gonna happen.
I need a carrot.
Or a stick of dynamite.
Come on, Loli. You can do it. Come on, duck. Yeah.
Yay!
Loli. Nice race, Ellie.
I think Ellie and Molly won the race.